Dashcam madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. Who is this Tesla driver even yelling at? Did someone pour water on his battery or something?
I'm off this dog, got me slow. I ain't playing limbo. Bitch, my eyes getting low. Getting tags, pull me over, said it started with smell smoke. Hey, you got a whack jumper, all that pillow talking on the gram, and you ain't slapping nothing. You know my niggas in the building, you see racks busting, and I'm smoking dope for my shows like I'm damn rubbing. Baby, getting thunder off this contact. You ain't talking blues, little baby, we can't contact. Bitch, I'm white through that roll like.
It's right there, Doc. Enormous sailor spren. Guess you ain't. Wait! Doc shaded his eyes. I see it. Really? Yelp said. What does it look like? A vast yellow spren, Doc said, rising out of the water. It has big tentacles waving in the air, and a bright red stripe on its back. Well, toss me overboard and throw me a fish, Yelp said. A vast yellow spren, Doc said, rising out of the water. It has big tentacles waving in the air, and a bright red stripe on its back. Well, toss me overboard and throw me a fish, Yelp said. If you can see it, I guess you are a real sailor.
Count the number of idiots here.
Just run that red.
Lightning McQueen?
He's getting himself killed.
This new Tesla looks like.
Look, here's what this is doing. What is this doing? Oh my god. Oh my god. If you just turn left.
This Tesla thought he could run a red light today, but the cop made a quick appearance here.
前面也有，前面也有。是爷爷。Oh, he just cut off that cop. What an idiot.
Lights go
Turned
on.
on the... What an idiot. Oh,
The Tesla.
he's in the right lane.
Everyone in this car was asleep. The Tesla said if the truck was a bit bigger, then he might have considered the thought of possibly slowing down. Good luck fixing any body panels on that Tesla. I don't change lanes, I cross barriers. This driver was not expecting that today. This is exactly who we need behind the wheels of 4,000-pound electric vehicles.
Don't let me lean in. Come on, get them low. What? Please, cousin. Don't make me stab something. Kidnap your only baby boy, not in that rest. Every time I talk them diamonds, get the dash. Steppers. I'm with some steppers. And best of.
Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.